Hello cute babies. Today learn alphabet with A to Z spelling. First color name: pink color, orange color, violet color, blue color, green color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, light green color, red color, white color, yellow color, green color. A for adult. ADULT, adult. Violet color. B for bee. BEE, bee. Sky blue color. C for carrot. CARROT, carrot. Pink color. D for drive. DRIVE, drive. Orange color. E for excited. EXCITED, excited. Blue color. F for friend. FRIEND, friend. Brown color. G for gold. GOLD, gold. Light green color. H for hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. Black color. I for island. ISLAND, island. Yellow color. J for jasmine. JASMINE, jasmine. Red color. K for kind. KIND, kind. Green color. L for lollipop. LOLIPOP, lollipop. Violet color. M for magnet. MAGNET, magnet. Sky blue color. N for noodles. NOODLES, noodles. Pink color. O for onion. ONION, onion. Orange color. P for pig. PIG, pig. Blue color. Q for cushion. QUESTION, cushion. Brown color. R for ring. RING, ring. Light green color. S for self. SALF, self. Black color. T for teacher. TEACHER, teacher. Yellow color. U for Uranus. URANUS, Uranus. Red color. V for vowels. VOWELS, vowels. Green color. W for wall. WALL, wall. blue color. X for xylem. XYLEM, xylem. Sky blue color. Y for yucca. YUCCA, yucca. Pink color. Z for zoom. ZOOM, zoom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.